So we were established in 1989 by my uncle and my dad, and we're 100% family owned and family operated. We sell plumbing and lighting fixtures. I think our customer service, that is evident with the Consumer's Choice Award, which we're very appreciative of. Our customer service, and I think the variety that we display to our customers as well. So customers sort of know what they're getting at the end of the day. They can get a better idea of what they need as well by generating ideas by coming to our showroom. It's definitely a sense of pride to be chosen, especially I think this is our 8th or 9th year in a row, so it feels great.